What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the login or password is invalid error on Discord and why it happens in the first place. Most of the time, this error comes down to something simple. The first thing to double check is your email and password. Discord passwords are case sensitive, so even one capital letter or extra space can cause the login to fail. If you're copying and pasting your password, try typing it manually to avoid hidden spaces. If you're sure the details are correct, but Discord still won't let you in, the fastest fix is to reset your password. Use the Forgot Your Password option on the login screen, open the email Discord sends you, and create a new password. After that, try logging in again using the new one. Another common cause is temporary login restrictions. If you tried logging in too many times too quickly, Discord may block attempts for a short period. In this case, wait a few minutes before trying again instead of repeatedly entering your credentials. You should also check whether you're logging in with the right method. If your account was created using Google, Apple, or another link service, entering just an email and password won't work. In that case, use the correct login button instead of manual login. Sometimes the issue isn't your account at all, but the app or browser. Clearing your browser cache, trying incognito mode, or logging in from a different device can help rule out local issues. If you're using the Discord app, restarting it or reinstalling it can also fix corrupted files. VPNs and ad blockers can also interfere with Discord's login system. If you're using one, try turning it off temporarily, then log in again. Once you're logged in, you can turn it back on. If none of this works, there's a chance your account may be disabled, locked, or flagged by Discord. In that situation, your best option is to contact Discord support and explain the issue so they can review your account. And that's it. That's how to fix the login or password is invalid error on Discord and get back into your account. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.